How to fix speaker not working problem in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. And then click on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system and click on reset options, and here you can reset your app preferences. Click on reset app preferences and then click on reset apps. Now go back and check your system updates. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.